Printhead is the most critical and complex core technology. Only by mastering the printhead design and manufacturing technology can we stand at the front of industry development, compete with the traditional industry players, and take new market opportunities. As a rising star in the industry, Bentsai introduced China's first and most advanced inkjet printhead production line based on MEMS technology and successfully mass-produced the thermal inkjet printheads, contributing to the development of the printing industry. Thanks to our 10 years of printer research experience and the new printhead production capacity, Bentsai is devoting us to the field of making industrial inkjet coating and marking printers. Bentsai is focused on innovation. We have set up R&D centers in Zhuhai and Taiwan and established efficient software and hardware R&D teams for inkjet printers, from Linux-based printer operating system to unique hardware design. Bentsai will continue to push the industrial application of our inkjet printing technology and expand to the new fields, including desktop printers, industrial plotters, bank check printers, and more.